You give 1 piece to Sir Gaurav also. It's 10 rupees to
I'm
eat.
overwhelmed. I'm very much happy.
Wait.
Hey, my name is Joe. I have
Say once more. Once more. Once more.
My name is Joe and I
Hello guys, good morning and welcome back to the channel again. So guys, आज फिर से हम लोग एक टूर पे निकले हैं. तो हम लोग आज आए एक नई लोकेशन पे, नई जगह पे. सोचा कि आप लोगों को भी लेके जाऊँ वहाँ पे, तो बने रहे मेरे साथ वीडियो पे. सो गाइस, दोस्त लोग रुक के थक चुके हैं, गाड़ी नहीं पहुँचा है. What you were eating? What is this? Wow. What is this? Strawberry. Strawberry. Cannot see.
Yeah.
Did you wash?
This part has to be reddish, no?
It's okay. It's nice only. Don't worry.
Engi.
Don't throw.
What?
Mình nói đi, 이거 라떼 mang cháo ấy nó mà em không được.
Why will I throw? How come you done that?
Where?
Are. Moi dia gorobok kulu.
Simarani class kasa dolo dheru kese.
Malay semua. Food ini. Nara area name is sponsor na.
Coach King masda. This Naren.
Coach King.
Naren was a Coach King.
Explain. Sister Monica, how are you?
Fine.
Fine. Monica,
Thailand.
kiba koba?
Thailand Bridge.
Sir Simon.
My name is Joe. I work in the butter factory. I have a.
You take that bridge. I have a one. So nice.
What's first dinner?
Bridge. This one. Video.
How are you?
Video.
Nana di Kristen
Hola, Hadiare.
आएगा यारो जो खुद पे होए किन जो जिंदगी हसीन
Wait.
Hey, my name is Joe. I have
Say once more.
My name is Joe and I work in the butter factory. Hey, remain silent. My name is Joe and I work in the butter factory. I have a wife, a dog, and a family. One day my boss came up to me and said, "Hey, Lily."
Is your wife name Onita?
Yes.
My name is Osman.
Is your husband name Osman? Osman?
She's from Osmania.
Osmania. Hello, sir. Sanjay. Hungry? Are you hungry? Do you like? We are going to have breakfast here. Or breakfast. Monisa, kiba koba? Nokwa. Eko nokwa.
I work in a butter factory.
What is there in the breakfast?
Hey,
Water.
Joe. But this one.
Bread.
Yes.
What?
Reading, writing, arithmetic.
Okay, so the name of this place is Chotonili Bari. কোনফালে এইটো? আমি ইফালে যাম না? আমি যাম ইফালে লেফট সাইড।
আৰু অলপমান আগত গেলে মৌনাবিলি পাব এটাই ৰাস্তা
মুনাবিলি পিকনিক স্পটটো ইফালে না? So we are in the border now. So guys, हम लोग अभी पहुंच गया है भूटान गेट, ये देख सकते हैं. और we are going on foot to get the entry pass. So to enter there, as I have mentioned, that we have to show our photo of voter ID card, that is election photo identity card. We have to show. This is the gate, and we have to go this way, and that is the office where we have to show our photo ID card, and after showing only we can go ahead. हम लोग अभी भूटान एंट्री कर चुके हैं और कैसा लग रहा है? How you are feeling now?
अच्छा लग रहा है.
भूटान, Sister Monica.
Yes.
We are now in Bhutan.
Decorations are very more.
You are कुछ बोलना चाहोगे?
We will have food somewhere in one of the hotels here.
So guys, here you can say public notice: do not drink and drive, avoid over speeding, reckless. Welcome to Sarjong Gewok. So, yeah, wear your mask. Where is your mask? Without mask you are entering. So earlier we were allowed to enter till that gate ahead. There is one gate. Now they are allowing only till middle of this area, a bridge to come. So it's very deep. You can see. So depth very badly. Oh my God. There is one gate. Beyond that gate you cannot go. You, if you want to go, you should have pass, entry, permission and all that. Then only you can go. Otherwise you cannot go. So peace is God here. It's very peaceful area. See, no, only natural sound, natural noise. Some birds chirping here and water flowing. Noise of water flowing only, no vehicle sound, no other factory sound, no birds are sitting down here. So very nice place. Now see, for a long time I've been here, so only one vehicle crossing this bridge. Can come, no? Acha अंदर हाँ like this ना ऐसा है. It will give one bell like this if one round, not giving red. Out of Bhutanese cash. What do you got, Lily? Lily, take your cap.
Hey, we'll go and buy from there.
Very expensive. Very rich. Nok money de tangka banga. Hey, what do you got? What did you buy?
This one, I'm buying.
Oh,
How much this one?
Hey, those please buying, you come up.
100 bananas. Sister Monica, what did you buy? Sister Monica? Oh, this one you bought. Very expensive, na? Miss Bilina, what did you buy? So? Wow.
That's traditional dress.
Which one you took? This one?
Oh, it's good.
100 rupees.
Polythene, Papa? Oh,
Sir Tangsil, what did you buy?
I'm not buying anything.
Where are they? Where they went? Mall in Bhutan.
Here only cash. No online. Online cannot do no online.
Cannot do online. Sir Gaurav, what did you buy? You are looking like Ya Ali. Ali. Sir, would you like to say something about
No,
the
I
Bhutan
won't like
market?
to say anything.
Bhutan market. How
I
is
like the Bhutan
how
market.
did you feel the price? Is it high or low? Or
Prices
is
are
it-
high.
It is
But
reasonable.
the place is nice.
Place?
Place is nice. The market.
Place is nice. Market is not overcrowded, and it is not. The climate also very, good, moderate climate. So the only thing is that price is very hot. What you say about this place?
This is a Bhutan. What is the name of the place?
This is Galifu.
This is Galipu. The things are very, very wonderful, but the price is very
Very
high.
hot. Price is very hot.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. Hello, madam. I'm from India. You are from Bhutan. Are you from Bhutan?
Yes, we are from Bhutan.
Yeah. What you say? Would you like to say something?
We bought this dress. It costs one piece. That means set. It costs 1,600.
Oh my god, sir. Pork.
Ano, ang mama saya.
Chicken. You pork. You give one piece to Sir Gaurav also. Sir Gaurav.
Pork and beef.
Oh, very good. What do you eat? This is Bhutanese currency. What do you eat?
Chicken.
Chicken. Don't eat too much, okay? You are becoming fat.
Okay.
Pastina?
I wanted to buy Bhutanese dress, but no money. Kya kare bhikari hai?
Money?
Could not buy anything.
You buy.
Borrow from Mirju.
How are you feeling?
I'm
After?
feeling good. Not,
I'm very,
What do you
I'm
eat?
overwhelmed.
I'm very much happy.
You're
For
very
the first
happy?
time I have come to the international border.
Yeah. Oh, last time you were not there.
I have come twice. I have crossed twice.
She was not there, no?
Yeah, I was not there.
I was there.
First time. Very first time.
Okay.
I'm planning to go Nepal.
Okay, ma'am. Oh, where are you planning to go in next annual?
Next, I'm planning to go to Burma border.
I'm planning to go to Nepal.
Burma border.
Sister, how is the feeling? Feeling?
Feeling good, very peaceful, silent.
So this is international trip from the school.
Yes, yes.
Yes, stuff. So what is the reason of taking our stuff for tour? Is there any reason?
Just to be together, strengthening the bond of
Yeah.
relationship.
Sir, yeah, say something.
What do you want me to say?
You
Why
say.
are you not eating chicken or pork? I do not understand.
Chicken you forget.
Chicken I don't eat because it is broiler. If it is local means it is rare.
Why are you judging their chicken before eating it? Once you eat it, you can judge.
I have tasted once last year when I went to
But
Bhutan.
then you went to Bhutan.
Bhutan it is Bhutan.
That is true, Romania, no.
Same. It is Bhutan only, no?
This is true, oh my god.
Pork I don't want because it is in the this is different. I don't know. I like to eat our own rare pork. ये आ गया हम लोग का खाना.
Eat with hand.
Yeah, hen is better than. How is the taste? Is it Indian taste?
Yeah,
The same.
beans, some onion, and this is tomato. And this is some veg and tomato. And this is chili and
Chicken is local or broiler? Broiler. Is it tasty? Last time? Okay, enjoy your food. Here, how is the taste of the food? Hello, how is the taste, bro? Yes. Hello, how is the taste, bro? Bro, how is the taste, bro?
YouTuber is forgetting to eat.
Yeah, I'll eat at last. What is this actually? So, आज का हम लोग का जो जर्नी है वो ख़त्म होने वाला है. अभी हम लोग एग्जिट कर चुके हैं. इसके लिए आपको बहुत रेडी चाहिए और एग्जिट इज़ वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट. इफ़ यू डोंट एग्जिट next, when you visit next, then you will have problem and may have to pay penalty also. So when you come visit, don't forget to exit registration. Exit registration is important as equal to entry registration. So this is one information, so you should remember when you visit Bhutan. Entry and exit both are equally important. Now we are about to exit. That is the main gate. This is the gate. Welcome to India. So we are now officially in India. We are no more in Bhutan. And as usual, signing off here. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.